Instacart and Walmart Spark carried the day. But then at the very end of my shift, things took a literal turn. We are back on the road, guys. Yes, I just stopped and fueled up. When I mean fueled up, this one's on the side. One of my new brands that I like. It actually, I think, wins out over Celsius, and I like Celsius. And this bad boy. Talk about childhood nostalgia. Still, no sugar. We're fueled. We're ready to go. We're lunch. I am thinking I'm going to West Mifflin. Maybe. We'll see. I'm going to try my area out first, see how busy it is. If it sucks, West Mifflin, here we come. I really need to build up my star cart on Instacart. But we're starting with DoorDash. And it is 12:25 in the afternoon now. Let's go all the way to 7:30. Dogs are okay. I did not bring my crackers. Oh well. Not that it's a big deal. They may be gone by the time I get home though. So I think I left them in a place that the dogs are going to be like, they're mine. Okay, we got our first offer. We're going to Giant Eagle. And this is Instacart. It is a single shop, I think. Yes, a single shop. Only 7 items, 10 units. And that came in as I was sitting here replying to Grubhub. I'm trying to get back on Grubhub. Because due to inactivity, I was paused. So I'm trying to get unpaused, get back on Grubhub, and then I will have 8 apps in my arsenal. I forgot to screenshot the Grubhub order. Or not Grubhub, the Instacart. It was $9.47, I believe. It was 6 miles. But I'm doing this solely to try to get to my gold cart status. And then I'm shooting for platinum. Then hopefully the next quarter, the 3rd quarter of the year, I'll be able to get to diamond cart. That is my goal. Okay, let's go to Giant Eagle. 3 carrots. Oops. And it's raining carrots. I can get it in the bag. Oops, not my phone. That garlic press, that's what I need. Oops, they wanted 2. My bad. Come on. Okay, we're done here. We are in beast mode. We have 2 items left. Some jelly and some chicken breast. Let's see, and this is 1.24. Was there one that's a little bit closer? They want 1.5 pounds. 2.9, 32, 59. Here we go. Okay. I need to put that in a bag. Okay, and then we need the jelly in aisle 11 over here. Let's go. Whoops.
Sorry, I gotta go right anyway.
Right here. See, is this it? Yep, it is. We are ready to check out. This shop took 10 minutes. They allowed me 15. Pretty damn good. Now we're going to be on to the delivery. Just accepted this offer, Walmart Spark. I haven't even looked at the items. I looked at the dollar amount and the miles. We're just winging it. We're going for it. I like that dollar amount. That means $50-some in the first hour or first 2 hours, because it's estimated to take an hour and 4 minutes. I took a half an hour on the other one. It's taken me a few minutes to get to the Walmart for my drop off. So I'm gonna say 2 hours between these two orders. Not too bad.
She's whipping through Walmart, boots on the ground, cars flying fast, hear that rolling sound, checking her list.
Shop is done. Probably took me 45 minutes from shopping my first item to check out. So let's go get these orders delivered.
Racing that clock, she's got rhythm in her step and purpose in her walk. Milk, bread, apples, baby wipes, bag 'em all tight, yeah, she's got stripes. Slides herself, check out, beep, beep, bam. Customers texting your fast, ma'am. Smile on her face, pride in her lane, that's Grandma Dasher in full speed frame. She's whipping through Walmart, boots on the ground, car flying fast, hear that rolling sound, checking a list, grabbing with flair, tossing in deals like she don't care. Swipe that card in the scanner sink, she's a checkout queen on a dashing swing.
I am taking me a little bit of a lunch break. Instead of going home, I did the unthinkable, but it's just less than $5, small fry, McChicken. I still have my energy drinks, so I'm going to go ahead and eat this. Then we'll be back at the grind. Okay, we are ready to hit the road, and we're hitting it running. I've got this $59.83 routed delivery, 12 stops, 34 miles. Estimated to take 1 hour, 43 minutes. I'm good with that. So let's go pick this up. Yes.
I'm saying let's try something. Can you please open the scanner? Like the one you used to scan the label, swipe up, and send it print like pieces.
Okay. I'm in the, okay, wait a second. I'm in the scanner. Okay, that worked. So yeah, I had to contact support. I had a label issue. There was a misprint number or something on the label. It wouldn't scan. But we're on our way. We're getting this started now. Here's a little funny while I'm on my way and stuck at road construction right now. When I was picking up this route, there was another driver next to me. Manager comes out, scrutinizing.
Like, don't you dare return this route.
Apparently this guy chronically picks up these routes, and it's every single route. He has not completed any of these routes because he figured out if he does a couple then returns the route, he gets half pay. And I'm just shaking my head. Like, there I was the other day with a flat freaking tire, and then had the Good Samaritan changing it and putting a donut on, and I still finished my route on a donut. And he always has the excuse, oh, I've got car problem, I got car problems, I got car problems. No, the guy's lying through his teeth. He don't have no car problems. He just wanted to do a couple deliveries and get paid for the route. That's all he wanted. He's probably taking these high $70 and $80 orders and getting $40 to deliver 2 or 3 packages. That's what I'm thinking. This is some crazy back road stuff, people. I mean, I have no clue where I'm at. I've never been on this road all my life that I've lived in the area. But this is why I like these routes, though. New scenery and pretty scenery. Need a photo of the package. All right, thanks.
Okay.
Have a good day. That one was pretty sketch because it would not allow me to scan the package at the door. I had to go out in the yard. It was like a pin near a metal building down here. Oh my, now we have the other problem package. I didn't want to scan at pickup. But let's go. I could look at those mountains all day long. I hope you can see them. So this route is going to take me extra time because the GPS totally screwed up, sent me to a different street that is 13 minutes away from this next drop off. So I went so far out of my way, not happy. GPS did it again.
here, but there's nothing but a field out there. Cow looking at me like I'm wrong. Grandma Dasher moving along. GPS done lost its mind again. Got me driving through the sticks, my friend. Down a road that ain't a road. Grandma Dasher with a heavy load. Turned around and try once more. Find the right old country dirt. GPS, you better behave. I'm just trying to make this pay. Bridge ahead says turn around. Navigation spinning round and round. Customer waiting in the dark. Grandma Dasher chasing that spark. GPS done lost its mind again. But I'll find that house, my friend. Porch light shining down the lane. Grandma Dasher wins again.
That last package drop-off was a nightmare because of cell service up here. It is horrendous. They said the only network that really works up here is Verizon. The others, forget it. So I'm wondering how this next stop, because this next stop is in the same general vicinity. Oh, that was bad. Even that spot there, parking was horrible. And I gotta figure out how I am getting out of here, where I'm at, because practically no freaking cell service. So, I gotta figure out how I get out of here. Fairbank. God damn. Let's just do this. Home. I gotta pee too. Okay. Let's go home. Okay. Alright, I am going in the right direction. Okay. Oh, there we go. I had sound turned off. I didn't know that. For my maps, I'm like, why isn't it announcing where I'm going? Okay, I will see you at home to go over my numbers. My numbers are pretty solid here. I only did 3 orders. And look at that total. $155.04. I can't complain at all. The only complaint is the last order, that routed delivery, the last like 3 or 4 packages were awful to try to complete because of lack of service. Otherwise, my time would have been a lot better. It would have been way less than 6 hours. Plus the GPS sending me off the beaten path. It probably would have been done in 5 hours. Anyhow, on Walmart, that carried the weight, $145.57. Instacart, $9.47 for that grand total of $155.04. Worked 6 hours, drove 63 miles for an hourly rate of $24.84, and I made $2.46 per mile. Can't complain. Not shabby. Very solid shift. Minor inconveniences, but it is what it is. That's it for this ride. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and check out the next Dash adventure. Catch you on the road. Keep on hustling.